Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
As you know, these days through Mummies Goa Helping Hands, our NGO, we are having free food distribution at GMC. These days, like, people are facing a lot of problems, especially people who have some relatives admitted in the COVID ward, and I think sometimes there's no one at home for them to cook, and it becomes difficult for them to get food. So we are providing home-cooked meals for them, so that their lives become little easier. For our first day, we have brought 100 parcels, but then as per if there is more requirement, we will increase the number of. We had actually kept a few oxygen cylinders as well, like 4 or 5 oxygen cylinders we had kept, and we have distributed for people in need.
This is a very healthy food, homemade food. So we're distributing this to the people who are there with the patients. And some of them, like maids and all, they're there, so they can't come out and have their lunch. So we are giving this to them.